6-year-old boy drowns in Hope River. Man's body found on church compound in St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 6-year-old boy drowned in Hope River in Arborview, St. Andrew on Sunday. He has been identified as Nicoy Anderson of Bayshore Park, Kingston 17. The police stated that about 9:45 a.m., the child was at the river when he fell into a hole filled with water. He drowned before he could be rescued. The boy was pronounced dead at the Kingston Public Hospital. The Arborview police are investigating. The Sligoville police in St. Catherine have launched an investigation after the body of an unidentified man was found on the grounds of a church in Top Jackson district in the parish. The police were called to the scene about 11:50 p.m. Sunday. The decomposing body was clad in black sweatpants, a brown shirt, and a pair of Crocs. The scene was processed and the body removed, taken to the Linstead Hospital, where the man was pronounced dead. It was later removed to a funeral home for post-mortem examination.